So today I'm gonna go over this sprint question. First, I'm gonna read the question. Kim created a list of positive whole numbers. She chose different positive whole numbers for the first two numbers in her list. Each number after the first two numbers in her list was the sum of the previous two numbers in the list. For example, if the first two numbers in Kim's list were 1 and 2, the third number would be 1 plus 2 equals 3. The fourth number would be the second plus the third, which is 2 plus 3 is 5. And the fifth number would be 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, so when Kim created her list, the sixth number was 2022. And then we're asked to find the largest possible value for the first number in Kim's list. Okay, so when we see this question, we first notice that Kim chose two numbers, right? And since we don't know what they are, let's just use two variables for them. Let's call them A and B. So let's call the first number in the list A, and then the second one is B. All right. So the rule says each number in the list is the sum of the previous two. So the third one would just be A plus B, right? And then if we just continue this on, we'll get the fourth one is the sum of the previous two. So it's B plus A plus B. So we can write that as A plus 2B, right? And then if we just continue this process until we get to the sixth value, well, it will sum. There's two A's, and then there's three B's for the fifth term. And then if we do the sixth term, we're gonna find there's three A's and five B's. Okay, so we know that this value 3A. We know that let's draw a divider here. 3A plus 5B is equal to 2022. That's what the problem gives us. And then now we have to figure out how to maximize the value of A. So to maximize the value of A, we need to minimize the value of B. All right, and I think there's two ways that you could do this. The first way is to try B. Let's set B to be like the smallest positive whole number. Let's try B equals 1, right? So if B equals 1, then we have 3A is equal to 2022 minus 5. So that would be 2017. But if we notice, 2017 is not divisible by 3 because the rule is all the digits have to sum up to a multiple of 3. And these sum up to 10, which is not a multiple of 3. So this doesn't work. And then if we try B is equal to 2, we're going to find the same thing happens, right? So the last thing we see is if we try B equals to 3, we'll get something that works because we'll get, I'll do it on the bottom here, 3A, and then we're letting B equal to be 3, by the way. So 3A plus 15 is equal to 2022. And then if we just solve this linear equation for A, we subtract by 15 on both sides, and then we divide by A, we'll get A is equal to 2007 divided by 3. And then if we work this out, I think we should get 669 as our answer. And then, okay, so some of you might think like, oh, well, what if we just got lucky? It's kind of annoying having to test B equals 1, B equals 2, B equals 3. So there is a slightly faster method that we can deduce B equals 3. Let's look back for a little second, and then let's go back to our equation 3A. I'm writing it in the bottom left corner right now. So 3A plus 5B is equal to 2022. So let's notice something here. If we let's just subtract 5B from both sides, and then we'll get 3A is equal to 2022 minus 5B. And let's notice the left-hand side is a multiple of 3, so it has to be divisible by 3. And since both sides are equal, the right side also has to be divisible by 3. All right. And then something we notice, if we add up all the digits of 2022, we get 6. So we know that 2022 is divisible by 3. So therefore, we know that 5B also has to be divisible by 3. Or else, subtracting them would give you something else. So notice that 1 and 2 don't work, so our smallest option is b equals 3, all right? So this is a method that we can use that's like more generalizable and like you can do for like larger numbers that are not 3 and 5. All right, thank you.
Hi, everybody. This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.